So, hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. So, in the previous video, we saw that what actually is that is hierarchical clustering, and we also saw what are the two different approaches of hierarchical clustering. And in that way, we saw what is agglomerative hierarchical clustering, and after that, we saw what are the different approaches that is named as top down or bottom up, and we saw the difference between top down and bottom up approaches. And after that, we also understood that what is the the different steps of implementing the that how actually the hierarchical clustering works for the agglomerative clustering. So now, and in the previous video we also saw that how we can calculate the distance between two clusters, and we saw that there are total five linkages possible. That is we have single linkage, complete linkage, and centroid linkage, average linkage. So that is, there were four linkages that were available, and based on that we will perform the hierarchical clustering process. So now if we try to now implement that is agglomerative hierarchical clustering using Python. So the steps for implementing AHC, that is agglomerative hierarchical clustering using Python, the steps for implementation will be same as the k-means clustering, except for some changes as the method to find the number of clusters. The first is data pre-processing. In data pre-processing, we will do importing of some different library, and we will also load the dataset, and the dataset in which we will be working will be of mall customers, which we have already done in the previous video. So, and the second is the finding the optimal number of cluster using the dendron. So we will try to import dendron, and we will perform the dendron, and we will try to find the optimal number of clusters using dendron, and we will see that how we can plot dendron also. And in the implementation part only, we will see the structure, like how dendron graph actually looks like. And after that, we will perform training the hierarchical clustering model. That is, we will train the hierarchical clustering model as we have already done, like model fitting, and after that, training the model, based on that it will give the result on the test set as well. After that, we will try visualizing the clusters. For the visualizing, we will again use matplot, and we will try to plot the graph, and we will see that what are the different things that we can do in the visualization as well. So that's all in this video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Stay blessed. And one more thing is that in the next video I will cover a demo on the AHC, that is agglomerative hierarchical clustering. So till then, you can go through the different concepts of hierarchical clustering, and then we will see. So that's all. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Stay blessed.